subscribe to ARZONE channel and also click into the bell icon for more updates and for more videos.
Alright guys, in this video I will show you how to make these kinds of logo in your Android phone. So hey guys, I am Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. Subscribe this channel and also hit the notification icon so that you can find these kinds of tech news at first. So let's begin. So that is our video. How is the video? Tell me in the comments, and you can visit our website and you can also follow us in Instagram. And if you are new, subscribe this channel and also hit the notification icon so that you can find these kinds of tech news at first. And you can comment me in the below which video you want, review or editing. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe. So bye.